Welcome to Building Green Solutions. This is a presentation of potential green solutions, green infrastructure that could be installed in your community. Green solutions are infrastructure investments that are designed to solve flooding in basements, yards, and streets. They also reduce the amount of stormwater or rainwater getting into the sewer system in parts of the city that have one pipe that carries rainwater and sewage to the treatment plant. Less water in the pipe means fewer overflows and less pollution getting into lakes, streams, and rivers. Green solutions work with nature, using vegetation, soils, streams, and natural systems to manage stormwater runoff and create healthier neighborhoods and communities. The term infrastructure brings to mind gray infrastructure, roads with asphalt pavement, curbs, and gutter. Streets and parkways can be made more green by incorporating all-natural, semi-natural, and constructed green spaces within, around, and between built areas to replace or augment more traditional gray infrastructure. The following describes potential green infrastructure in the form of green streets and parkways that could be incorporated into your community. This is an example of traditional gray infrastructure in an older neighborhood. A paved street with no curb or gutter or sidewalk that is overgrown and broken up. Here is an example of what can be done to improve the same street with green infrastructure, green solutions. A neighborhood with a wide street can mean speeding traffic. Bump outs along the street can not only calm or slow down traffic, but it can be a location where green solutions can hold rainwater in rainscaping. Rainscaping is landscaping that considers how rainwater will be collected and treated, removing pollution. The curbs direct water from the street to rain gardens. A rain garden is a shallow depression that is planted with deep-rooted native plants and grasses. A rain garden is positioned to allow rainwater runoff from hard surfaces like roofs, driveways, walkways, parking lots, and compacted lawn areas the opportunity to be absorbed. This reduces rain runoff by allowing stormwater or rainwater to soak into the ground, as opposed to flowing into storm drains and surface waters, which causes erosion, water pollution, flooding, and diminished groundwater. Green solutions are typically native plants, which means it is something that grew well in our climate without watering or tending to it. This is an example of native grasses that would have been common here before it was developed. Because they are native to this area, they will grow without the need to water or apply fertilizers. They also have deep roots that help the rainwater soak into the ground rather than running off. In neighborhoods where it is not feasible or desirable to have curbs and sidewalks, rain gardens are still an effective way to slow down and soak in rainwater runoff. This is an example of a rain garden planting along a street without a curb. Rainwater runs off of the street into the garden. Rain gardens can be added to the landscape along commercial corridors as well, to better manage the rainwater running off of the commercial site and the street. Rainscapes in commercial areas also provide places for people to walk, bike, gather, and sit. This rainscaping is designed to fit into the community, enhancing the look and function of the street or boulevard.